Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 4th September 2020. This is our current affairs session. Here you can got the very most current affairs of 4th September 2020. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. So proceed towards today's session. This was our previous day question. Our first question was, who has stopped the publication of Ease of Doing Business report? IMF, ADB, World Bank. Option D, AIIB. The correct answer here is World Bank. Option C is correct here. Recently, World Bank has stopped the publication of Ease of Doing Business report to probe data collection irregularities in the annual ranking. Okay, and the headquarters of the World Bank is situated in Washington DC. David Malpass is the president of World Bank, and World Bank is established in 1944. On 1944, World Bank is established. Okay. Our second question was, which month is observed as Nutrition Month? September, August, October, November. The correct answer here is September. Option A is correct here. Narendra Modi has announced to celebrate September 2020 as Nutrition Month. Okay, during the monthly radio broadcast program Mann Ki Baat. Okay, September. Okay, Nutrition Month. I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, which state has appointed India's first ever women ambulance driver? Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh. The most appropriate correct answer here is option A, Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has appointed India's first ever woman ambulance driver, M. Veera Lakshmi. The name is M. Veera Lakshmi. Okay, and about 500 new ambulance would be dedicated to the state at a cost of 125 crore. At a cost of 125 crore. You can see the image of M. Veera Lakshmi here, the first ever ambulance woman driver of India. Okay, because Tamil Nadu is the first state to appoint woman ambulance driver. Tamil Nadu is in news. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Chief Minister is E.K. Palaniswamy, and Banwari Lal Purohit is the governor of Tamil Nadu. Okay. Next question. Which international airport has won the National Energy Leader Award? Delhi, Hyderabad, Bhubaneswar, Kolkata. The correct answer here is Hyderabad. Option B is correct here. Hyderabad International Airport, also known as the Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, has won the National Energy Leader Award. Okay. Also, Excellent Energy Efficient Unit Award also won by Hyderabad International Airport or Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who has approved the appointment of V.K. Yadav as Chief Executive Officer of Railway Board? ACC, CCI, MHA. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is ACC. Option A is correct here. ACC, the abbreviation of ACC is Appointment Committee of the Cabinet. Okay, the appointment committee of the cabinet has approved the appointment of the V.K. Yadav as the CEO of Railway Board. Okay, you can see the image of V.K. Yadav here. Previously, he served as the chairman of the Railway Board, and recently he is the CEO of Railway Board. Okay, and Union Railway Minister is Piyush Goyal. Piyush Goyal is the Union Railway Minister of India. Okay. Question number 4. Which ministry has launched the Water Heroes Contest? Ministry of Health, Ministry of Finance, Jal Shakti Ministry. Option D, Ministry of Education. The correct answer here is Jal Shakti Ministry. Option C is correct here. The Jal Shakti Ministry has launched a Water Hero Share Your Stories contest. It was launched to provide a message water conservation and management. Okay. Jal Shakti Ministry launched Water Hero contest. You can see the image of Union Jal Shakti Minister here, Ratan Lal Kataria. Ratan Lal Kataria is the Jal Shakti Minister, Union Jal Shakti Minister. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. What is the rank of India in Global Innovation Index 2020? 25, 48, 50, 55. The correct answer here is option B, 48. India ranks 48 in Global Innovation Index 2020. Okay. Remember, India's rank is 48. Okay. Let's see the top 5 position of the Global Innovation Index 2020. Here you can see the top 5 position. The first position is achieved by Switzerland, having scored 66.08. First is Switzerland, second is Sweden, third is USA, fourth is UK, fifth is Netherlands, and our country India is in 48th position. Okay. Next question. Who became the first woman DG of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security? Usha Padhi, Nirmala Sitharaman, Tina Devi, Sujata Mahapatra. The correct answer here is Usha Padhi. Option A is correct here. As per you see the image of Ms. Usha Padhi here. Usha Padhi became first woman DG of or Director General of India's in Bureau of Civil Aviation Security. BCAS, Bureau of Civil Aviation Security. Okay, first woman and third IS to have appointed in this position. Okay, and she succeeds Rakesh Asthana. She succeeds Rakesh Asthana, a IPS officer, and achieved the Director General of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security. Okay. Next question. Which state has launched Gandagi Bharat Chodo campaign? Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Jharkhand. What is the correct answer here? Can you guess it? The correct answer here is option B, Madhya Pradesh. Recently, Madhya Pradesh government has launched a 15-day campaign named Gandagi Bharat Chodo. Gandagi Bharat Chodo campaign. And who is the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh now? Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Shivraj Singh Chauhan is the Chief Minister here. And Anandiben Patel is the Governor, because Lalji Tandon, the former Governor of Madhya Pradesh, passed away. Anandiben Patel got the also the charge of Madhya Pradesh, and the capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Okay. Next question. Green Term Ahead Market GTAM has been launched by whom? RK Singh, Amit Shah, Prakash Javadekar. Option D, Hardeep Singh Puri. The correct answer here is option A, RK Singh. Union Power Minister Rajkumar Singh has launched the Pan India Green Term Ahead Market GTAM in New Delhi in virtual mode. Okay, and the GTAM is the world's first exclusive product market for the renewable energy sector. Remember, this market is for renewable energy sector. Okay, renewable energy sector. You can see the image of RK Singh here, Union Power Minister. Okay, next question. National Nutrition Week is observed first week of which month? July, August, September, October. The correct answer here is option C, September. National Nutrition Week is observed every year from 1st September to 7th September since 1982. It is observed since 1982, National Nutrition Week. Okay. Also, the nutrition month also declared by Prime Minister of India to September. Okay. Next question. Last question of the today's session is, how many states and union territory are there in one nation one ration card scheme? 26, 30, 25, 22. The correct answer here is 26. Option A is correct here. Okay, remember this question is very much important because one nation one ration card scheme. About 26 states and union territory in one nation one ration card scheme. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. This is our question of the day. You have to answer in the comment section and we will discuss the answer in our next session. Okay, for our first question is, Government of India banned how many mobile apps recently? Okay, our second question is, who is the author of the book the big thoughts of little love? You have to answer in the comment section, and we will discuss the answer in our next session. Okay, thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. If you like the session, then share it in your educational related group and subscribe the channel for the further updates. Okay, and after subscribing, don't forget to press the bell icon, thereby you can get the notification very fast. Thank you. Have a great day.